Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is sketches of this afternoon, and again observational methods, and I'm heavily using this today just to see if I can utilize just one method from the skills that I've built up over the past 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm actually really happy with the overall results. Each sketch took 3 minutes each instead of 4. And apart from I was a little bit heavy-handed on the pencils around the eyes, specifically on sketch number 1, very slightly in sketch number 2, but it was more so on sketch number 1. However, my actual sketch lines are starting to become more kind of purposeful, if that makes sense. Wherever I sketch or put a line down, essentially, that is where I want it, instead of going over and over and over and over and repeatedly making a line and then essentially making it a lot darker than what it was originally. The overall structure, the features and everything are far better this week compared to, say, when I started this learning method anyway about 3 weeks ago. So they are very quickly improving, and I'm really delighted at the fact that they are improving very quickly. Yes, I do have a long way to go, and I'm by far nowhere near the level that I want to be, but this is the fundamentals of art, which is sketching and getting the proportions on all the structure all correct before I go on to the next set of skills. But yes, for now I am improving and I'm really happy that I am. So thanks guys.